Hello guys, good evening. It's 6:30 right now. We have not been doing so much except later in the day I was out there in the yard doing something which I'm going to show you soon. We were just staying here inside just resting because it's been so hot. It seems like every day is getting hotter and hotter, but we know this because the Philippine weather report that it's going to be hot this month and even hotter in May. That's why it's hard to do anything, especially outside. Well, I was able to do some stuff in the yard because it was later in the day and it's a little cooler. So anyway, I actually just got done working in the yard for probably about over 2 hours, and maybe I just need to rest now. Just watch on the news. Dennis is already in the bedroom to cool off. I just need to sit for a minute and watch some news and then maybe make a dinner. Dennis already ate his dinner. But first, I'm gonna show you guys what I was doing with the voiceover because of the music. Join with me, guys. Here we go, guys. Because the neighbor is playing music, I'm gonna have to do voiceover. I'm not really good at voiceover, but I'm gonna do my best. Anyway, you see all these weeds, and here's the main. Just wanna watch me while I'm gonna do my work in the yard, just observing. Here are my tools. I have broom. I have this, we call it here sanggot. I don't know what it is in English, but I'm gonna use it to take the weeds. But I really, it's hard because there are some rocks. So I'm going to probably just use my hand because it's very much easier, I think. It's good if it's only soil, but since there are rocks, then it's hard. So there I am, just using my bare hand, no gloves. I don't like using gloves. It's hot and also very, inconvenient. I feel like it's much easier to use my hand than wearing gloves or something like that. So anyway, this yard here, I was gonna have some will spray it, but everybody's busy. Oh, the ants are biting me. There's so many ants in this yard. I don't know why these ants are taking over this yard. They are red ants, very aggressive, and they bite you and they hurt and itchy at the same time. Yeah, and a lot of those ants killed some of my plants. So um, I don't know how I can get rid of them. I know that there are some advices out there that um, I should buy borax or whatever that is. You see how big this weed, guys? I wish this is a vegetables because it's very healthy. I could make a salad if I would have known that this is edible. I would really make a salad out of it. Yeah, it's very healthy, much healthier than my plants, and I don't take care of these weeds. My plants, I take care of them, maybe not always, but the ants keep biting me. But I probably would not stay here and pull this grass all the way on this side because they're just biting me. Red ants is really painful when they bite. Ah, so here I'm gonna move somewhere and slowly pull this section. I don't think I'm gonna pull it all on this side because of these ants, but I'll keep pulling for as long as I can, just using my hands. hand hands. I'm using my one hand to pull the weeds and then holding the camera on the other hand. Oh my goodness, this is a kind of good exercise also, and but it's kind of hard, especially in this weather, very hot. But I can probably finish doing this if I do this every day. The sad thing is that I can't do this every day because there are some days that I just get so busy. But for the very least, I water my plants. I wish I could do more in the yard every day. See all these weeds that I pull. I wish, I could make salad. All these weeds. They actually grow so fast. Look at all this in the side. I think that's where I water and there's more grass to where I put or the have they can get water. See, I have so much to pull more. These plants here on the side, I'm planning to get rid of them. All these leaves I have to sweep, and I do this at least every other day. But still every day there's leaves. Oh, it looks like I'm gonna have a lot of Java apple here very soon. Probably in another 2 weeks or less. I'll have plenty of Java apple. See, look at them. And they smell so good too, guys. If you go near them, it smells so good. The aroma of the Java apple. They really smell good. So very soon I'm gonna have Java apple. All my plants, guys, looks wilted. I mean, not all, some, because I water them, but some don't get enough. Thankfully, here my calamansi or my lime calamansi, they look healthy. They have a lot of fruits. Some of them I need to pick. See, they have a bunch of new ones. I'm gonna make a calamansi juice again once they grow big. But it's looking very healthy, and I'm glad because when it was raining a lot, I thought it's gonna die. So yeah, see all this tiny calamansi, very good. And a guava apple growing on a coconut stump. I was hoping they have a ripe one, ripe, but there's not. Anyway, I need to get back to my work, pulling all the weeds so I can get this all done. You see all that weeds, guys, I pulled a bunch of them, but I can compost them and use it as a fertilizer. See, it looks so much better now. No more weeds just in this particular area, but there's still a lot more weeds around. Yeah, see, I'm trying to decide if I should pull it or not. There is some herbs, but I pulled it anyway because as you can see there's a big one in here, much bigger one, and we don't use them as often. Sometimes we put them on our soup, but not very often. Here I have some green onions just for emergency. Sometimes if we want to cook scrambled eggs, and we can just grab some green onions in the yard. Actually, I need to plant more because Dinis love green onions. I need to plant more vegetables, and since our ground here is not healthy, then I need to put them in a pot or something, hang the soil so it won't contaminate with the ground here. That is a lot of fungus in our soil. So right now I'm just sweeping the yard. So after I sweep, I'll probably water them. They need a lot of water, guys. It's been so hot and there hasn't been any rain. If it rains, not very much, and it's so dry these days. So they need plenty of water. If I don't water them for a couple of days, they start wilting, and some of them like is about to die. And see all my plants here. I'm planning to move that onto the other side, so maybe it will look like we'll have a bigger yard. Someday I'll do that when Samuel and Roderick are not busy, then maybe they can help me. So I just clean up all the weeds, guys. I throw them away and the weeds, so they look so much better. No more leaves. Now I need to move on and look at by the front. Oh, I was just sweating so bad because it's hot. It's like, well, it's a good exercise. I'm just looking around and then I see there's not much weeds in here. There are a couple of leaves. But then I'm looking at my plants. There's a lot of dead leaves. Oh my goodness. Look at all this. I can't easily pull these leaves on this particular plant because it's hard. I need to use some kind of machete. These plants needs to, I need to take care of them much more. See some of these weeds growing inside my plants. I don't always do this because Dennis doesn't like me, sticking my hand in there because maybe there's snake, but I watch out. All I do with these plants most of the time is like at least water them so they will not die. Because if I don't water them, they're definitely going to die, especially in this hot and dry weather. Oh, I can't believe I have so much plants. I didn't realize that when it was pandemic time, that's when I collect a bunch of plants because that's a big thing at that time. There, it was pandemic. Everybody wants to have a collection of plants, flowers, and all. So that's why I have so many plants. For now, what I can do is just pull some few weeds and I just really need to water them. See, I didn't water these plants yesterday, so today they need a lot of watering. Especially it's so, uh, particularly this day, it's really hot. About 94 degrees today. I don't know what that is in English. I in Fahrenheit. Yeah, here I am just picking those dead leaves. Some of my plants are actually like about dying. All the dead leaves I need to spend more time on picking these dead leaves, guys, because it's bad. My I need to add soil. I need to do more. See, some of this plant is reached to the net now. My goodness, there's a lot to do in the yard, but for now it's all right. And here our car looks so clean. This car didn't go anywhere today. I spent 2 hours cleaning it yesterday, and this morning I wiped the window, so now I have to put the wipers down because I just cleaned the windshield earlier. I'm sweating now so bad. And finally, my last goal here in the yard for today is to water my plants. I'm just washing my hands for now. Actually, there's no more music from the neighborhood, but I'm still not saying anything on the video. I feel like I'm a mute. But anyway, I will make sure I'm gonna water my plants very good this time. Sometimes I even spend almost an hour just to water all my plants, because you know that I have plenty of plants, and I just want to make sure that they get enough water. So this, by the time I get done, I'm sure it's already very dark. So guys, I hope you enjoyed what I was doing in the yard. Now I'm so hungry. I'm taking this leftover corn grits. Oh my gosh, there's ants. Look at that. This is what I plan to eat for dinner, and there's ants. It's very disappointing. I don't know. Maybe I need to just add some warm water and I'm still gonna eat it. I don't wanna cook anymore. I don't know. As soon as I turn on the fire, this thing, all the ants. Sounds like the neighbor, they're having some birthday party. Just gonna put a little bit of water. Felt so bad because I should have not. Look at all the ants got killed. There's still some that are roaming around. They will eventually get killed. I have some leftover here from earlier. This is some eggs with, I put corned beef in it. I'm thinking maybe I should have also some cucumber. Cucumber, guys. This is nice. My aunt corn grits, guys, I think is done now. I cooked them for a while, so it will kill whatever bacteria there is or some whatever in there. So because I don't want to waste them. My aunt dinner is ready. See, guys. Oh my gosh, you can see there's one and there's a few still around. But here's my cucumber here. It looks really good. I just put a little bit of salt and vinegar, and like I showed you earlier, this was my leftover. And I have also a little bit of pineapple that I bought yesterday. And this is my dinner, guys. Let's eat ant, guys. My cucumber, I cut it into kind of like cubes. Very crispy. Very good. So the dinner is done. I'm full and the ants didn't bother me. It was maybe actually extra protein. Anyway, it's time for me to clean up all these dirty dishes, guys. Oh my gosh, I need to clean up, feed the Ming there that is waiting. I just feed him an hour ago and now he's asking for food again, so I'm gonna feed him one more time. That will be it for this video. We're not doing so much today, and we were mostly just hiding inside the house until later in the day. Then I worked something in the yard. At least though, I was able to accomplish some for today, not just totally nothing. So I thank you so much guys for always watching our video. When my family is not busy anymore, maybe they're gonna come over and we're gonna have a gathering. We don't have to have a occasion to gather, but you know, just to chika catching up. It's been a while since they came over. Like all of them come here. Like before, they come over and just spending time together and family bonding. But these days they're busy, especially the kids are going to school, so that's why they couldn't come as often now. Anyway guys, that is it, and we'll see what we're gonna do tomorrow. Hopefully some action. See you guys, good night, and thank you for watching.